Hey, and welcome back to another video. So this will be just a quick feature video that I'll be focusing on one feature on iOS 14. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm on Discord, Instagram, and Twitter, and you can find me on those using the links down in the description below. Okay, so this feature is a minor feature that was announced and released with iOS 14. So if you're a person who takes a lot of selfies, let me open the camera here, you'll know that all photos taken on iPhones in the past were mirrored. For example, now I have the front camera open, I'm gonna point this way, and I'm gonna take a photo. Then I'm going to go into my gallery, and as you can see, it's mirrored. The photo is the other way around. So have you ever thought to yourself, could I get like the photo? Could I get the photo in the same way that I see it on camera like this? You could do that via WhatsApp and Viber, and I think there are a few other applications that actually was the same photo. When you take a selfie using that and send it to someone, it goes the same way. But that's a bit annoying. It doesn't go to your gallery. You have to save it separately, etc., etc. However, with iOS 14, there's a new feature that allows you to see yourself or see whatever you're taking with your front camera the way you saw it in the photo viewfinder here. So what we're gonna do, like the way you can activate this, or you can turn it on, is go to settings, and you wanna scroll down to your camera app here, hit camera, and then you see under composition, as you can see here, it says grid and mirror front camera. You want to select mirror front camera. So once you've mirrored the front camera, now let me go take the same arrow pointing that way, take that, and as you can see, it's the same way it was on the viewfinder. You're getting the same image, and you're not getting a reversed or mirrored image like this. You're getting the exact same image the way you saw it. So if you're taking selfies and you like it the way you see it in the viewfinder, you now have that option. And that's a new feature with iOS 14. So just a quick video to show you guys that, because not many people have spoken about that feature. So yeah, so I guess that's it for this video, and I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.